Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In this quick video, I'll show you how to grow your follower on Threads. First, open the Thread app, go to your profile, make sure you have a clear profile photo, a catchy bio, and a link if you have something to share. A strong profile build trust. Post regularly, share original, relatable, or helpful content. The more often you post, the more visible you become. Reply to other people's thread, like, repost, and comment with value. When you engage, others check your profile and may follow back. Talk about current trends or topics or viral moment. Those type of posts often get shared, helping you reach more users originally. Share your threads profile on Instagram, TikTok, or WhatsApp. Tell your followers check you out on thread too. Tag popular account or creators when relevant. If they reply or repost, you'll gain visibility fast and more followers. That's it. Be constant, stay active, and bring your voice to the conversation. Your follower count will grow. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.